Right, so this from an Italian company called these people here.
Indeed.
Caprimoto.
Yeah.
Right, okay, and it only took 3 days from...
Two in a bit. 2 in the morning.
And this is a complete set of Givi rear rack.
And the adapter to put the top box rack on.
Top box on, okay. I'm guessing rear rack piece. Let's have a look. It's the Honda SR1178. Did you order a doctor?
Not today.
Yeah, it's got to be that, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And then, well, while we're here, we'll look at that. I'm guessing left and right.
Well, at least I've got the Adventure Sport. There we go.
Yeah, and there's the number.
1178. Yep. Bag of bolts. Always need a bag of bolts.
Left and right, isn't it? That is spaffing. Where's there should be a cross beam as well, shouldn't there? For the back. It's already there. So it's not a separate one on this one. Because on my one, it's actually separate bolted on bit.
Yes, I have one on the back of mine as well.
Your old one?
Yes.
So obviously what they've done is
the new ones.
They've got rid of that.
Yeah, and then you've got the back brace, haven't you?
Yeah. Okay. Roger. So basically, I've got all them, and I'm doing that. Let's just get on with it.
Okay. So
straight in, just slide them in.
I need one of them on there.
So easy.
One of them on there. Where's my bolt?
No, we're not doing that yet, are we? We're on number 1 at the minute.
Well, then that one.
We'll stick the other one in and I'll hold it. 7, 10. There you go.
Right, so what's going on? That first, then that, I'm guessing.
I'm guessing you're right.
So one of them.
Yeah, and then on it goes. They're lock bolts, so you don't need any thread lock on them.
Okay.
Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Sit the top case carrier, that's the correct word for it. And then underneath fix them. But you haven't got the thing underneath here, have you?
No.
No, I won't do that. Yeah. That is actually then that complete. Removing 2 bolts, the 10mm bolts. 10mm bolts is on, and there are these 2 bolts under there. Hold it. There you got it all done. The superior strength. Right, so then we mount the mounting plate on it, and the point to note is, hang on a sec, is the longer piece. See, this bit is long and this bit is short. The longer piece goes towards the rear of the bike, and it's just a case of using the same bolts to mount it on. So now we just need to remove these small, yeah, so it's sort of threaded. We'll see in a minute. Must be an early pulley time.
There we go.
Yeah, so they are threaded. Do that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So really simple now. We get 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2 spacers either side, and then mount the actual frame firstly onto the top part. That will sit there underneath. That's not quite lined up. This might be worth putting a blob of grease on that to keep it in place, to be honest. And I think we'll do exactly the same on the other side.
Yep.
Okay, now and then at the rear of the pannier frame, simply this bolt, 6mm Allen key, and through you go. So we'll put that on loosely. I don't think that's quite. It's a case of balancing them both in, isn't it? So it goes in smooth. Yeah. It leaves 2 bolts, clearly 1 for each side, going in here. So actually, very straightforward. Now it's just a case of go around, tighten everything up, and that's it. And that's, to be honest, that was really easy.